right, welcome orchestra to page 8 of String Basics. This is a pivotal page, meaning we're jumping into some new stuff here, and from here on out it kind of goes whoosh. It goes new stuff every day, a lot of new stuff. Today is our first time of playing by pressing down on the strings with our finger. We need to number our fingers, okay? So the left hand, your left hand is going to be numbered 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, your pointer finger is finger number 1. Okay, then 2, 3, 4. Thumb doesn't have a number. Okay, just thumb. All right. Next, we need to understand that when we push down on the string, we're going to use the tip of our finger. Right? That's very important for violins and violas and cellos. A little different for basses, but really important for us here. Now, the other thing on your instrument, you should have a little mark right here. It's a piece of tape. It's a line. And then there should be 2 more pieces of tape here. You might even have a 4th tape. If your instrument is missing those tapes, you'll need to just kind of imagine where the tape is supposed to be for this lesson. These tapes are put on here for beginners to show you where to put your fingers, but by the end of the year you can take the tape off because you'll just memorize where your finger goes without having to look at the tape. But to start with, it's kind of a good idea to have a piece of tape. Today we're going to learn to play the E and the note E, and it's played on your D string, and you press your first finger on the D string on the first tape. Okay, the tape that's closest here to the scroll. And that'll make it an E. All right? So let me go ahead and get this instrument, violin, in guitar position. And violins, violas, you can start in guitar position if you want, just so you can see my finger a little bit easier. Notice it's kind of hard to see where my finger is pushing when I hold it like this. So I'm going to go ahead and play it in guitar position, but soon after this, we'll put it up on our shoulders and play it on our shoulders after that, okay? Looking at the page, you'll see that it tells us about the note E. This is a violin book. E is located on the bottom line of the staff. Now that's located in a different place for the cellos and the violas and basses. Your note is located in a different line or space, so just make sure you understand I'm talking about violins right now. There's a nice picture for you violins to show you how to place your finger and thumb. There's a picture of the strings and the fretboard, and it shows you the D string. It's all colored red for you. And then it shows you that if you press your finger right here on the D string, you will make the sound E on your instrument. I'm going to play line 23 for you. I'm going to get my left hand, finger number 1, over, and I'm going to hover over the first line because the song starts with D. So I don't want to be pushing down on the string with my finger until we get to the note E. Listen to me play line 23. Rest, 2, 3, 4. D2, D4. Rest, rest. Put your finger down now. E2, E4. Take it off. Rest, rest, rest. D2, D4, rest, rest, put it on the string and push it down. E2, E4, rest, take it off, rest, rest, repeat now. D2, D4. Now, here's some problems you might have had with that E. First problem is if you're not using the tip of the finger, see that little line on the end of my finger? That's from the string. Okay, I am using the tip of my finger. You can tell I have proof right there that I'm using the tip of my finger to push down on the string. Okay, that's really important. If you play an E and it doesn't sound like that, it sounds more like this. Do you know why that is? You probably do. It's because I'm putting my finger on the string, but I'm not pushing. I'm not squeezing down. You have to push the string down against the fingerboard, against the black part, and hold it there. You have to hold it against the fingerboard while you pluck it. Okay, and keep squeezing. And that's what will make that line on your finger. Okay, now you've already experienced some pain, haven't you? Your finger is kind of getting sore. Okay, let me tell you that's normal for when you first start putting your fingers on the string. If your finger hurts, massage your finger, give a 30 seconds break, okay, and then get back to work. If your fingers get so sore that they hurt and it's too painful, then stop playing and work on it the next day. Okay, take a break, let those fingers heal. After 3 or 4 days, your finger will start getting tough. It'll get a callus on it and it won't hurt anymore. All right, let's take a look at line 24. Line 24. Rest, 2, 3, 4. D, 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 D. Rest, rest, rest. Put your finger on. E, 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 E. Rest, take your finger off. Rest, rest, rest. Take it on. E, 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 E. Gotta move my picture. Rest, rest, rest. Oh man, I got my picture all messed up there. Sorry guys. Well, I'd repeat the song and fix my mistake, but you get the idea. This video is just to get you started, okay? All right, if you look down the page, you'll see that we start adding D's and A's to our song. All right, very good. All right, well, hopefully I gave you enough information about how to use your finger on the string and the shape of our hand, okay, and how to make a good sound on the string when you pluck it. All right, good luck with that. This might be a little tricky, a little more difficult, just because your fingers are getting coordinated. Your left hand fingers have to get kind of coordinated to do these weird shapes, okay? So if you're having trouble, don't give up or be discouraged. It's all normal.